Utilizing Namecheap for various online services is a straightforward and versatile process, and in this comprehensive guide, I'll walk you through each step to get you started. To begin, open your Chrome browser and perform a search for Namecheap. Once the search completes, click on the link that directs you to Namecheap's official website, Namecheap.com. Here, you'll be greeted with a well-organized header featuring a range of options, including domain registration, hosting, WordPress management, email services, apps, security solutions, and even domain transfer services. Namecheap is renowned for its user-friendly interface and exceptional customer support, making it a preferred choice for individuals and businesses aiming to establish a robust online presence. Furthermore, the company is highly regarded for its commitment to digital rights advocacy and support for organizations like the Electronic Frontier Foundation, which promotes online privacy and security. As you explore the website, you'll notice the Buy a Domain and Everything Else You Need section where you can access a multitude of services to cater to your online needs. Reviews from more than 2 million customers worldwide attest to Namecheap's excellence, with an impressive overall rating of 4.7 out of 5 on platforms like SiteJobber, Trustpilot, and Buffer. Beneath this section, you'll discover detailed reviews, additional information, and answers to frequently asked questions to address any queries you may have. At the bottom of the page, you'll find various options tailored to your preferences. Now let's delve into the process of creating an account on Namecheap to unlock its full range of services. To begin, click on the Account button. If you already have an account, you can choose to sign in. However, if you're new to Namecheap, click on the Sign Up button. Here, you'll be prompted to provide your name, create a password, and confirm it. Next, fill in your first name, last name, and email address. Be sure to checkmark all the required policies and then click on Create Account and Continue. Congratulations, your Namecheap account is now successfully created. It's important to note that while Namecheap offers many services, some of them are not entirely free, and you'll need to make payments to access certain features such as domain registration, hosting services, and more. Upon account creation, you'll find yourself on the Namecheap dashboard, where you can manage your various services. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice several options, including expired domains, and hosting. Clicking on domains reveals a range of options, allowing you to perform domain name searches and initiate domain transfers. For instance, you can input a domain name like Usama and click search to discover available domains and their respective prices. These options include variations like Usama.com for $39.99 per year. Scrolling down, you'll find more domain choices, including Usama, Geg, Usama, Net, and Usama Info, each with its pricing structure. Some domains are available for free, while others come at a premium cost. Moving on to hosting services, Namecheap offers an array of options tailored to meet diverse website and business needs. Shared hosting is a cost-effective choice suitable for individuals and small businesses, offering affordability without sacrificing essential features. For WordPress enthusiasts, Namecheap's WordPress hosting ensures optimized performance and convenient management with one-click installations and automatic updates. If you require more control and resources, consider VP's hosting, which provides flexibility and scalability. Dedicated hosting offers the pinnacle of performance, granting users an entire server for exclusive use, making it ideal for large websites and businesses with substantial traffic. Within the dashboard, you'll also find options for private email and apps. Private email allows you to create professional email accounts and secure your communication with SL certificates. Under apps, you can explore available applications to enhance your online presence. To install an app, simply click on Get Some Apps, and you'll discover a selection of both free and paid applications to choose from. Select your desired app, click Try for free, and it will be added to your Namecheap account. If you're interested in learning more about Namecheap's features and how to use them effectively, scroll down to the end of the website where you'll find a blog section dedicated to providing valuable insights. On the right side of the screen, you'll encounter numerous options, including guides on domains, security, and advanced topics. As you continue to navigate Namecheap's offerings, You'll discover a comprehensive blog section that provides insights and guides on various topics, including domains, security, and advanced features. These resources can be invaluable for gaining a deeper understanding of Namecheap's capabilities and how to leverage them effectively. In summary, Namecheap offers a wide range of services to help individuals and businesses establish and manage their online presence. With its user-friendly interface, exceptional customer support, and commitment to digital rights, Namecheap is a trusted choice for domain registration, hosting, email, and more. Whether you're looking to secure a domain, host a website, or explore additional online tools, Namecheap provides a seamless and reliable platform to meet your needs.